Hi, my name's Chris Clewine. I'm a local real estate investor and a local St. Louis guy. I'm not a national trainer. I'm just a local St. Louis real estate investor. But I am doing some training for you right here in St. Louis. Click on the link below. Click on the link on this page and sign up for my real estate training. Come out, and here's what I'll show you. I'll show you how you can take a house just like this in terrible condition, and you can make $10, $20, $30,000 on it. This is the kitchen if there was one. This is the type of houses that we see every day, and I'll show you where to find them, how to make money on them, and if you decide to rehab them, I'll show you how to fund that. The top two reasons that I hear that people hesitate to get involved is they don't have enough time or they don't have enough money, and I'll show you how you can deal with both of those. We all have the same amount of time in a day, so you've got to make it a priority to get out to this training, and I'll teach you how you can use other people's money and where to find it and how to find these deals and how to get them done. I'll show you how other people just like you and me are making six figures right here in the St. Louis market and how you can too. So sign up for my training, come on out, and I look forward to seeing you there.